Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check the file system of a drive in Windows 11 or 10. For this video, I will use total 6 methods and you can use either. So let me start without any delay. First one is through disk management. Next one is through file explorer. Next one is settings app. Next is system information. Next one is command prompt and last one is PowerShell. So let me start with first one, disk management. For this, right click on this one start button and here select disk management option and then click on it. In the disk management window you will find file system and under that you can see NTFS, FAT32, etc. Next one method is through file explorer. For that, click on this one start button, click on the start button and here search file explorer and then click on this one entry, then select this PC in the left sidebar. On the right click on the drive you want to check file system type and select here properties option. Here under general tab you will find file system and beside that you will see the NTFS, FAT32, etc. That is your file system of the particular drive. Next one method is through settings app that is applicable to Windows 11 only. For this, right click or just click on this one start button and select here settings. Then click on this one system in the left sidebar. On the right click on this one storage. Then click on this one advanced storage settings. Under this click on this one disks and volumes. Click on this, disks and volumes. Click on this. Here you can find file system type like FAT32, NTFS, whatever you have formatted on your Windows 11 PC. Next one method is through system information. For that, click on this one start button and here type system information. In the search results, click on this one system information. Here you need to click on this one components. Click on this one plus icon to expand it. Then click on this one storage to expand it, then click on this one drives option. On the right side you will find file system type for each volume or partition. Like this, for C drive it is formatted with NTFS and for D drive it is formatted with NTFS. Next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one start button and type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry and select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Then here you need to type, once command prompt entry opens with administrative privilege, here type disk part and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the disk part prompt. Here you need to type list volume and then press enter on the keyboard. Under FS, you can find your file system type. Last one method is through Windows PowerShell. For that, right click on this one start button and here select terminal admin. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. It will open by default with PowerShell profile. In case it opens with command prompt profile, click on this one down arrow button and select here Windows PowerShell. This will open. In PowerShell, here you need to type get dash and this one volume command and then press enter on the keyboard. This will show under file system type you can find each drive file system type. Suppose this one is D drive and it is formatted with NTFS. Like this you can find file system type in Windows 11 or 10 PC. I will provide the link in the video description. If you need any command or any steps to copy, you can refer that link from this one video description. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.